Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are diving into the world of real estate investing. It's a popular investment strategy but can seem intimidating for beginners. In this video, we will break down the basics, explore different options and discuss the potential rewards and risk. Real estate investing offers a variety of avenues. Rental properties. This is the most common method. You purchase properties and rent them out to tenants, generating rental income. Fix and flip. You buy a property that needs renovation, fix them, and resell them for a profit. Real estate investment trust or REITs. These are the companies that own operating income producing real estate. You can invest in REITs through the stock market, offering a more liquid and potentially less risky option compared to the direct property ownership. Rewards. Rental income, a steady stream of income from tenants. Appreciation. Real estate's values trend to appreciate over time, increasing a property's value. Tax advantage. Potential tax benefit like deduction of mortgage interest and property taxes. Risk. Vacancy. The risk of having your property vacant resulting in lost rental income. Maintenance cost. Unexpected repairs and maintenance can eat into your profit. Tenant issues. Dealing with difficult tenants can be time consuming and stressful. Tips for getting started. Educate yourself. Learn about different real estate markets, investment strategies, and relevant laws. Build a financial foundation. Ensure you have a solid financial base with a good credit and sufficient savings. Start small. Consider with the smaller properties or investing in REITs to gain experience. Find a good team. Network with the real estate agents, property managers, and other professionals. Analyzing real estate market. Location, location, location. Choose a market with a strong rental demand and potential for appreciation. Consider factors like job growth, population trend, and local economic conditions. Look for the area with good schools, amenities, and low crime rate. Important considerations. Due diligence. Thoroughly research any property before making any investment. Financial planning. Create a realistic budget that accounts for all potential expense. Risk management. Develop a plan to mitigate potential losses such as vacancy and tenant issues. Real estate investing can be a rewarding but also challenging endeavor. It requires careful planning, research, and a long term perspective. Always do your due diligence, consult with a professional, and invest wisely. This video provides a general overview. Real estate investing is a complex and information should be considered. Financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any investment. Thank you.